Hi guys, I am Viva. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make poached eggs. I make them two ways. It's an easy recipe, but some people find it difficult. So just give it a try, 1-2 eggs, and you'll be a pro. The most important thing when poaching eggs is to have your eggs fresh. So I'm gonna start my video with explaining and showing you how to tell if you have fresh eggs. So keep on watching and enjoy the video. How to tell if your egg is fresh. If it sinks, it's fresh. If it turns with the butt up, it's probably a week old. If it floats on the top, it's not good. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of salt in my water and a teaspoon of vinegar. I usually use clear vinegar, but today I'm going to use apple cider vinegar. It's not gonna make any difference. And at first I'm gonna turn my water to boil, and later I'm gonna turn down to medium temperature, and you see very little bubbles. Here it is turning down, and these are the bubbles you want to see. The egg white has a part that it's more watery, so here I'm trying to get rid of this watery part. Now I'm going to make a vortex and gently put the egg in the water, and you can see it starts to poach right away. And I usually move the water a little bit, just a little bit. Looking pretty nice, huh? I'm going to remove this part with a knife. The chefs in the restaurant are usually using knife or scissors to nicely shape their poached eggs, so feel free to help your egg look even more beautiful. There it is, perfectly poached and runny. Here, this is a very easy way. I'm using a frying pan, and I just, in a little bit less than an inch of water, I'm just putting the egg, the lid on the top, and now I'm gonna start with a spoon to put water on the top. This way I'm gonna help the egg white that is on the top to cook. This is a very easy way to make poached eggs. Lid on again, a little more, and now I'm just gonna separate this thin white. And there it is, it's ready. Nice and runny. I'm just gonna use some sprouts. and some black pepper, and we're done.